Hello and welcome. In today's session, I will discuss about profile of youth in India. The National Youth Policy 2014 stated that the age group between 15 to 29 years are considered youth in India. The policy also highlighted key issues of youth in India. As we know, youth represent a large segment of population in India. Youth can contribute to grassroots development efforts and can create progress to different corners. To know more about youth, it is important to know the profile of youth. Profile of youth comprises of general profile, educational profile, media profile, marriage profile, youth household profile, menstrual cycle profile, family planning profile, and disease profile. Now I will discuss about various youth profile in details. General profile. As per 2011 census, young population in India accounted for more than 33 crores and more than 51% were males, followed by females. More than 36% of youth belongs to the age group of 15 to 19 years. National Youth Policy 2014 also stated that 27.3% of population are youth, that is 15 to 29 years of age. Educational profile. The population of literate youth was 333 million in 2009, which accounts for 27.4% of the country's total population and about 73% of the total youth population. Population of literate youths has grown at 2.49% between 2001 and 2009. Among literate youth, about 62% lives in rural areas and rest in urban areas. 44% of them are females. The average age of the Indian youth to complete their highest education level is around 15 years, which means most of the youth drop out without going for further education beyond 15 years of age. About 82% of the total estimated literate youths are Hindus, followed by other religions. A higher proportion of the literate youth comes from the household whose main source of income is regular salary or wages. OBCs make up 40% of the literate youth, followed by general caste 27%, SC 23%, and ST 10%. General caste youths dominate in northern, eastern, and northeastern states, and a higher proportion of ST literate youth reported from the northeastern states. About 10% youths are graduates. More than 75% youths are matriculates or having less education. About 32% of the literate youths are students and 20% are engaged in unpaid housework and only 12% are salaried employees. 31% of young women and 14% of young men are illiterate. Only 41% of adolescents were attending school in the year 2005 and 6, suggesting a very high dropout rate. Media profile of youth. 70% of women and 88% of men aged between 15 to 24 years have at least weekly exposure to television, radio, or newspapers or magazines, or monthly exposure to the cinema. Media exposure is much lower in rural than in urban areas. The common media form is television. Women with no education and women in rural areas have particularly low levels of regular media exposure. Marriage profile of youth. Half of women and almost 1 in 5 men aged between 15 to 24 years are currently married. About 2% of youths are married and their gauna has yet to be performed, and a very small proportion, that is 1% of women and 0.3% of men, have experienced a marital disruption. Youth household profile. 1% of women and 8% of men aged between 15 to 24 years are household heads. Youth in households headed by youth are poorer than youth from households headed by someone who is older. Menstrual cycle profile. A large proportion of youth, both women and men, are not aware that a woman is fertile only during specific days in her menstrual cycle. Only 5% of women aged between 15 to 19 years and 14% aged between 20 to 24 years knows that a woman is fertile only during the middle of her menstrual cycle. Family planning profile. Only 65% of women and 84% of men have heard or seen a family planning message on TV, radio, wall paintings, or in newspapers or magazines. 93% of women know of female sterilization. 83% knows about pills, and 71% each knows about IUDs, intraurinary devices, and condoms. 93% of men know about condoms, but only 78% know about pills, and 37% know about the IUD. Only 8% of women and 15% of men know about emergency contraception. Most of the youth desire a small family, that is 2 or fewer children. Like many Indians, youth in India also show a preference for sons. More than 1/3 of men do not know that a woman who is breastfeeding can become pregnant. 39% of female youth either have a child or are currently pregnant. Youth fertility accounts for more than half of India's total fertility. Disease profile. HIV/AIDS. About 2/3 of women and 88% of men have heard of AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. 3 out of 4 men know that the risk of HIV/AIDS can be reduced by condom use and by limiting sex to one uninfected partner. However, less than half of women know about this means of HIV/AIDS prevention. Only 20% of women and 36% of men have comprehensive knowledge about HIV/AIDS. That is, they have correct knowledge of all the ways of transmission and prevention of the infection. In many states, less than 1/2 of women have heard of AIDS. This all about a basic youth profile by which you will have some idea and the position of youth in our country. This youth profile will help you to know in depth the condition of youth in India. And as a student of youth development, you should know this profile. After knowing this profile, you can understand in much better way, and a holistic perspective you can give, and this will help you in days to come to work with youth in more effective manner. With this note, I will conclude my session here. Thank you.